Hey guys, I'm currently at Club Kingston. I'll be heading to Miami, stopping over Miami and then going to Las Vegas in the early morning. So I've decided to take you along with me. I know my regular days are filled with just work. So I tend to do vlogs whenever I'm experiencing something a little bit more high. So I hope you don't mind tagging along. Alright, so just here, just having breakfast at lunchtime. So I'm having some sushi. I have a chicken sushi, jerk chicken rather, a vegetable sushi, and I don't know what the other one is, and a chicken patty, and I just ate a chicken nugget. Now listen, whoever made the soup today, it was pumpkin soup. It was excellent. It reminded me of days when you're in the country and somebody was cooking some real nice pumpkin soup. So I just had that and it was delicious. So I'm just going to move on to the rest of my meal, including my type of water is this? My fruit water. Fruit infused water. Alright guys, see you soon.
Time is 1 o'clock p.m.
So if you've seen any of my traveling vlogs, you would know that my preference is to travel first. If that's unavailable, then to travel business. It's a part of treating myself on these trips. Look at the size of this man's foot. Anyway, it was a rough flight. As you can see, I could hardly keep my wine composed and I was a little scared. I hate this part of flying, but it worked out. As you know, I'm safe and sound and I was able to reach my destination safely. Which is right here, level 2. Let's go. At 4 Points by Sheraton. Alright, so this is the view as you enter. There's a waterfall. It smells fresh. Alright, so let's see if we can get all checked in. I've already spotted a McDonald's, a Denny's, and a Wendy's out on the road, so just in case, I can always go there for food if I don't want to stay here for food. Alright, so I'm on the 5th floor, so I'm just waiting for the elevator, but they have a very nice ambiance, nice little details. I hear that they have a happy hour at 5, so I don't know, I may indulge, just might. Woo! Alright, so we're doing alright, so I'm just going to go to my room, put down my stuff, refresh myself, and then explore. As I may have stated before, I'm leaving to Vegas in the morning, so I'm going to be up again at about 2:30 to make that connection. Well, you'll be able to see my room with me. When you're not traveling with your partner, it can be a little bit problematic pushing 2 suitcases because you know you want to take advantage of the business class and first class opportunities of more than one check-in luggage. Alright guys. Alright, so I just stepped in trying to figure out the light situation. So I've flipped both lights, but only one came on. Let me see. Okay, so this is my room. Let there be light, and there was light. So let me give you a quick run through. Alright, so this is the bathroom. Everything is clean, nice. Yeah, nice simple design. And I guess this is a closet. Okay, yeah. Let's see if there's a fridge, coffee machine, and a side chair, and the bed, desk, television, and then this is my view, guys. Nice. There's a pool right there if you can see, and oh, there's also a pool right here. So just stepped in. I'm going to refresh myself, see if I can contact my hubby to let him know that I've arrived safely. So see you later, guys. So this is the pool that I saw while I was upstairs. Had been too cool for me. So the gym is there, and I'm heading back to the restaurant. There's a lot of plane. You can hear the planes from here. Just grass. Alright guys, so this is what I'm eating tonight. It is the linguine and meatballs, and I've opted not to get cheese on it. Hopefully it's delicious because I'm hungry, and I'm going to my bed early so I can get up at around 2:15 to connect to my Las Vegas flight. I'll let you know how it goes. So it may be obvious to some of us, but whenever you want to know if you have decided on a very good restaurant, the silverware has weight to it, and they're pretty nice. These are pretty nice. Let's eat. Very tasty. I think I taste some beer in it. So I was trying to do the little rapid, something like what the girl them do, and I'm gonna try dry them here. I'd look cute. Anyway, I'm gonna get up and drop off of my head top. But anyway, I'm here staying at a nearby hotel. My next flight is early in the morning. I could not do what I've seen other people do, like stay over at the airport overnight and stuff like that. No, girl have to fresh, girl have to brush teeth and bathe. I guess I wasn't built for that life. So somebody just call me about 2:30, even 2 o'clock. Don't make me oversleep tonight, yeah? Yeah, my friend? 2:30 or 2 o'clock. Hi guys. Such a beautiful morning. So guys, I'm leaving the hotel at 3 o'clock, which means I was able to wake up Morning. So, on to the next journey. Hey there guys, good morning. So I'm on my flight to Dallas and then from Dallas to Vegas. I'm currently in my own cubicle or my own area as I like it. This way it allows me to do a little vlogging if I'd like. As you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm just allowing my skin to breathe because the air quality in the airplanes aren't the best. So I don't need any further congestion. As you know, I have very sensitive skin. So I'm just rolling like a plain Jane until I get to my destination. Hopefully I can get some rest before I get to Vegas. Oh, this is also my very first time traveling to Dallas, even though I won't be, well, I'm not sure if I'll be exiting, but I'll be going to Dallas and then from Dallas to Vegas. So hopefully I get there safe. Until then guys, see you later.
Board here for gates A22 through A39 and all C and E gates.
So I had the wrong gate number. I had C, so I went to C, found out I wasn't going to C anymore. I had to run like a bitch to find gate A. As soon as I arrived at the gate, they started boarding. So I'm so exhausted. Second part of my trip. So before I left, I thought my gate number was C because that's the update I was given. By the time I arrived in Dallas and I went to C and then found out it's A, I had to run like a crazy person in order to get onto this flight. I am now out of breath, very hot, but I'm happy I made it.